Hi dear, today we'll start the second chapter in chemistry, acid, bases and salts. Okay, so today I'll give basic things about acid. Okay, what is acid, what are the types, how it reacts, what are the properties. Okay, likewise base tomorrow. So once you know the basic things about the acid, uh, you are able to say how it reacts with the things, what happens when it is reacted with some things. Okay, that we can come to know. Okay, so the main thing about this acid is, what is acid means those substance which turn blue litmus solution into a red litmus solution are called acids. That means, how will you find that the presence of acid means, if you use this blue litmus solution, that is nothing but one of the indicator. Okay, it gives the presence of acid. When it turns a blue litmus solution into red means that in that place you have acid. Okay, acid means what? It turns blue litmus into red litmus. Okay, remember that this acid means dangerous, so it is showing the red one. Okay, it converted into red. Okay, you can remember like that. Okay, so this acid is a Latin word derived from this Latin word acidus. Acidus means sour. Okay, so what is this taste of this acid? It is sour in taste. Okay, then acid gives hydrogen plus ions in aqueous solution. Okay, when acid is poured into the water, it gives more hydrogen plus ions. Okay, hydrogen plus ions means H plus ions. You know that if any acid, uh, if you touch any acid or by mistake acid is sprinkled on it, it will give more irritation to us, right? It will burn the skin, or it even burn the skin, right? What happens in that? That means when in aqueous solution, it forms hydrogen plus ions. Okay, in our body, this hydrogen plus ion is given in the form of pH level. pH, you know that if it is 7, it is neutral. When the hydrogen ions are increasing, the pH level will be lower. That means acidic in nature. In when OH ion base increase, the pH level will be increasing. Okay, so this is important, that the more ions, you know that we have studied in this excretion part, right? In the kidney, in the nephrons, helps in the uh, uh, cleaning of the blood, right? If unwanted means not only poisonous thing, as well as more hydrogen. If more hydrogen ions are there, it will be removed in the nephrons. Okay, while cleaning the blood. Okay, so it is very important. So what is meant by acid? It turns blue litmus solution into red litmus. It is sour in taste. It gives hydrogen ions in aqueous solution. That means aqueous solution means what? In water. Okay, so next we'll move to the types of acid. So we have three types of acids mainly: mineral acids, organic acid and concentrated acid. Okay, mineral acid means what? This is acid obtained from minerals. Okay, like sulfates, nitrates, chlorides. These are called mineral acids. Example, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid. Okay, organic acid. So the name itself gives that organic acid means it's obtained from plants and animals. Okay, in lemon you have citric acid, orange and amla you have ascorbic acid, curd lactic acid, vinegar acetic acid. Okay, and the third one is your concentrated acid. Those acids which contain minimum amount of water are called concentrated acid. So it is concentration is more. Okay, for example, concentrated nitric acid is 69 percentage by mass. 69 percentage by mass means out of 100 grams, 69 gram is uh, uh, nitric acid. Okay, likewise concentrated sulfuric acid is 98 percentage by mass, means out of 100 gram 98 grams of sulfuric acid is present, and only 2 percentage of water. Okay, likewise here 31 percentage of water by mass. Okay, we are given everything in mass. Okay, by mass. Okay, so these are the few types of basic types of acids. Okay, what are they? Mineral acids obtained from the minerals, organic acid obtains from the plants and animals, and concentrated acid, that means it gives a concentrate uh, it gives a concentration of the acids by mass. Okay, then chemical properties of acid, so how it reacts with the other things. Okay, so be thorough with this. Once you are thorough with this, we can able to write the chemical equation. Okay, what happens when this metal is reacted with acid, what are the byproducts, what are the products for. Okay, so reaction with metals. Okay, whenever the acid is reacted with metal, it gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, all it it does not react with all the metals. Okay, but it reacts with most of the metal, not all. Okay, so metal plus acid give salt plus hydrogen gas. Once you know this property, then only you will be able to write the chemical equation. Okay, so be thorough with this. So reaction with metal, metal plus acid gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Likewise, metal with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, when metal carbonate or reacts with metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, tomorrow we'll see all the examples what the reaction with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate, and neutralization reaction and reaction with metal oxides. Okay, once you are thorough with the products, what are the products formed in that, then you are able to easily form the chemical equation. Okay, when acid reacts with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, it forms salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, next one is the neutralization reaction. When acid reacts with base, it gives salt plus water. Okay, whenever the acid reacted with base, it gives salt plus water. And reaction with metal oxide. Okay, when the acid reacted with metal oxide, it gives salt plus water. Okay, salt plus water. So what are the four properties, main properties? Reaction with metal carbonate, neutralization reaction, and reaction with metal oxide. Reaction with neutralization and reaction with metal oxide gives same result, salt plus water. Okay, here for metal carbonate and for metal hydrogen carbonate, it gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, when it reacts with metal alone, it gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, and one more thing about acid is acid in water. Okay, we have mentioned in the basic things of the, while mentioning the basic thing about the acid gives hydrogen ions in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means what? In water, right? Acids in water. Acids when dissolved in water, it ionizes or dissociated to form hydrogen ions. Okay, hydrogen ions. That means, for example, HCl. HCl is an acid, hydrochloric acid. Okay, when dissolved in water, it dissociates into ions. This is hydrogen chloride is a hydrochloric acid is a molecule. It dissociates into H plus and Cl minus ions. Okay, okay. Acids when dissolved in water ionizes to form hydrogen ions. That's why it mentioned as H plus Aq means in aqueous, in water. Okay, this hydrogen ion formed, this hydrogen ion cannot exist alone. Okay, so it readily combines with water molecule, because HCl plus water only, right? So it readily combines with water molecule to form hydronium ions. Okay, it combines with H2O. H2O plus this H will give H3O plus. Okay, this is called hydronium ions. Okay, it because H plus ion does not exist independently. Okay, it immediately combines with water molecule to form hydronium ions. Okay, on the basis of the dissociation, this HCl molecule is dissociated into H plus and Cl minus, right? So based on the dissociation property, we can classify the acid as strong acid and weak acid. Okay. When an acid is completely dissociated in an aqueous solution, that is called strong acid. That means, for example, HCl. HCl. Your HCl is there, right? HCl. For example, 50 molecules of HCl is there, means then when it reacts with water, you will get H plus 50 H plus ions plus 50 Cl minus ions. Completely dissociated. Okay, it is completely, this 50 molecules of HCl is completely dissociated into H plus and Cl minus ion. That is called strong acid. Clear? Then weak acid means partially dissociated. Partially dissociated in an aqueous solution. This is acetic acid. Acetic acid, CH3COOH, it gives H plus ions plus acetate ions, CH3COO minus. Okay. Okay, this is not stable. Okay, this is not stable, and again it reacts with H plus ions to form a acetic acid. So it is reversible reaction. Okay, clear on this? So here, for example, here 50 molecules of acetic acid is present, means it is not fully dissociated. For example, only 50% or less than 50, 20%, 25 molecules H plus ions formed as 25 molecules, and CH3COO minus is also 25 molecules. Okay, not fully. Even if it more than 25 also, if it dissociated, again it forms a acetic acid. Okay, this is not the stable one. Again it will combines with hydrogen ions and it forms a acetic acid. Okay, it is not fully dissociated. That is called partially dissociation. That is weak acid. Fully dissociated means it is strong acid. Partially dissociated means it is a weak acid. Clear? So these are the few things about the acid. We will study all this chemical reaction in detail in next class. Thank you.